Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from Bhima. They are hiring for Bangalore, Belgaum and Hubli locations. As you can see here, they are hiring for different positions. Like for the position of sales staff, both males and female candidates are eligible to apply. And you should have up to 8 years of working experience in jewelry industry, or else fresher candidates can apply. So next one, for the position of cashier, only male candidates are preferred, and you must have prior experience in cash counter in jewelry or retail sector. So coming to the next one, for the position of guest relations officer, only female candidates are eligible to apply, and you must have jewelry or retail experience, or else fresher candidates can apply. So last one, they are also hiring for housekeeping staff. Only male candidates are eligible to apply, and you must have previous experience as housekeeping staff. So if you are interested for any of the job role, you can directly walk into the given address, like those details are mentioned here, up to 30th April 2022 from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And while walking to the interview, you must have these documents like updated resume, one passport size photograph, and copy of Aadhaar card and latest 3 months pay slips. And if you are not unable to attend the interview, you can also share your resume to the provided mail ID and to the WhatsApp number. And if you have any queries regarding this notification, you can reach out to them with the given contact numbers.